I'm Missy with your Friend Frenzy news. Inviting friends is something many of us do. Now, by inviting friends, you can enter into a competition with huge prizes. We call that Friend Frenzy. In Friend Frenzy, if you participate, you can start getting cash coin rewards for yourself. Over time, you might even become a Friend Frenzy Onversian. The top inviter, which is the person with the most invites in the current month, can get 5,000 CC. The person with the second most invites in the current month can get 3,000 CC. The person with the third most invites in the current month can get 1,000 CC. And 8 random picks will receive 500 CC. To enter, go on your profile, click Friend Network, and use the link provided to invite people to sign up. If people sign up using your link, you get an entry into Friend Frenzy. There are some rules, though. Only invites during the current monthly competition are counted. Self-inviting will disqualify you from the competition, and entries and invites only count if your link is clicked prior to a sign-up. Now over to Renee for Rate My Crib news.
I'm Renee with your Rate My Crib info. Rate My Crib is an official builders competition in Onverse. Every month, home and land plot designers face off in a themed competition to transform their homes. Every month is a new adventure, and you would be amazed at some of these creations the competitors bring. It's a great way to get involved with the community and show off your building skills. The best build for the current theme will receive 5,000 CC. The second best build for the current theme receives 3,000 CC. The third best build for the current theme receives 1,000 CC. And the best free build, PP home build, and object build for the theme receives 1,000 CC. Winners are judged on the following criteria. Placement, which is how precise you place your objects. Creativity, is it creative, and is that idea obvious in the build? Originality, was the design unique? Effort, if it is obvious, a lot of time and effort was put into your build. And theme incorporation, which is how well does it follow the theme for the month. For the best player point build prize, the following is the winning criteria. In your free or PP home, how well did you use PP objects to get across your idea and incorporate the theme? To enter, check your forum each month for the current theme. Look for a thread titled Rate My Crib. It'll be sticky at the top of the official events forums. Make your build at your home or land plot. Then write an email to competitions@onverse.com with the following information. Subject, RMC entry, avatar name, your name, home name, what is the name of your home for multiple house owners. Description, describe your creation, let us know why you should win. The rules are simple. Entries must be received by the 23rd of each month to count. This gives a week to judge. Homes must not be picked up after the judging is done and the winners are announced. Email entries must have clear information on who you are and what your build is about. And the PP build prize can only be won from a home that is free or PP. And the majority of objects placed must be PP or free. Now over to Call for the top screenshot news.
I'm Call with your top screenshot news. Top Screenshot is a great way to show your artistic talent and to show the world how beautiful and fun Onverse is. Simply take the best screenshot you can and submit them to us for judging. Your screenshots may be used for Onverse marketing. The screenshot with the best view of the world gets 1,000 CC. The best screenshot of home or land plot gets 1,000 CC. And the best screenshot that includes avatars gets 1,000 CC. 4 people will be chosen random and get 500 CC. To enter, email us at competitions@onverse.com with the subject Top Screenshot. Include your avatar name and attach your screenshots to the email. The rules are, use the highest resolution and quality settings that you can in your options. Hide avatar names in Windows by hitting F3 and F4 prior to taking the screenshot. Keep the prize categories in mind: avatars, views, houses. The same screenshots cannot be resubmitted for later competitions. Submit as many screenshots as you like during the month of the competition is held. All submissions must be received by the 25th of the month. Now over to Gina for viral videos information.
I'm Gina with your viral video information. Viral Video is a competition to get new videos of Onverse up on YouTube to help spread the word about Onverse. Show your creative side and win some cool prizes. The winning videos will also be added to the official Onverse Vids favorite list on YouTube. The video with the most views in the month it is submitted will win 1000 CC. The most creative will get 1000 CC. The best story, which is a story that has a meaning, will win 1000 CC. And 4 people will be chosen at random to win 500cc. To enter, email us at competitions@onverse.com with the subject viral video. Include your avatar name and links to the videos you are submitting. The rules are: use the highest resolution and quality settings that you can in your option. Hide avatar names and windows by hitting F3 and F4 prior to taking the video. The same videos cannot be resubmitted for later competition. Videos must be uploaded in the month the competition is running to make views fair. You can submit as many videos as you like during the month the competition is held. All submissions must be received by the 25th day of the month. Now over to Josh for the Create a Shirt info.
I'm Josh with your Create a Shirt info. Create a Shirt is a way for the community to not only get some big prizes, but a way to get your own creations into the game. Use our template to fill in your own texture that will be displayed on a t-shirt and added to the game. You will be credited on this item as the creator. Designers can be whatever you think would make a great Onverse t-shirt. 4 designs will be chosen as the winners, each receiving 1,000 CCs. To enter, email us at competitions@onverse.com with the subject Create a Shirt. Include your avatar name, the name of your piece of art, and any other info you would like to add that might help you win. The rules are these must be original artwork or digital creations. You cannot copy images from the internet and submit them. Anything submitted that is not your own creation will disqualify all of your entries for the current month. Your image must be 256 by 256 pixels exactly to have it added properly, and to be sure, keep it PG-13.
That's all, folks. Have a nice day.
I put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up.
This has been a Monkey Tumbler production.